Let's go back into the forest. Well, here's something I've never seen. A Wemoto physical store.
This one is 69 euros.
Whoa.
And this one is 25 euros.
I like that. And it seems like we found someone with a tire. Frank has sorted this out perfectly. C'est bien. All right. Let's get it on there. Regarde. C'est bien.
Ouais.
Hein? Agressif.
How much?
60.
Oh. It's okay.
Man, it's almost a waste to throw away perfectly good duct tape like this. You know, your mothers and aunts, when they want to keep Christmas paper, right? This is the universal do-it-all. We are going to go to the Wemoto VIP area.
Really?
I am very lucky. One last time. Now it's done. Now the tire's done. Okay. Merci David. Ah ça c'est bon.
Encore un peu. Ok. Ça marche? Ouais.
Exactly, you have the machine here.
And easy to come working.
David says he has an amazing shop back at home. He used to be mechanic. He looks at the bolts, he's been like, 24, 12. When someone looks at the bolts and knows the sizes, he has lots of experience. But he has a nice garage, and I was telling him, if I ever have a permanent home, I would love one of these machines. Though plenty of times I've spooned it on myself. I know the struggle. Magique. Well, the tire isn't that old that it completely splits apart under pressure, so that's a good sign. Regardez. David, I think that was a record. Record time.
No, it's not a record.
David used to ride enduro, and I asked him before. I was asking him, "Hey, you know how to deal with the rim lock?" And he said, "Yeah."
Ok.
C'est bien.
Voilà, c'est bon.
Vous êtes vite, David. Ça, c'est beaucoup d'expérience.
Ah.
Look at this. Meat, carne.
Now we were friends. We have a little team.
Yeah.
And we do endurance classic. And we ride old bike.
Like from the 70s?
Yes. We have a GSX 11. It's a four cylinder Suzuki. Like nearly this one.
Oh, like more
like nearly this one.
The road bikes. Yeah.
But the brakes, the fork, the rear shock, the engine are upgraded for racing.
Modern, yeah.
In the straight line, the same bike, our racing bike, is able to 290 kilometers.
Wow. From what year?
1980.
1980.
Yes. The engine is about 150 horsepower.
Wow. From the 80s.
And standard is 85 horsepower.
That is good shit. Sometimes I thought maybe one day bigger engine in the Transalp, but
Yes,
you know,
yes.
but at the same time, it's a very good engine. you know?
Yes, yes, it's a good engine. Yes. Okay, so
Wow.
here is spanner,
Merci bien.
and it's okay for me,
Top, top, top.
but made by Yoshimura.
Yeah. Oh, it's yeah. Because I was looking. Is this stock?
Yes,
It looked
yes.
aftermarket. It's very
No,
nice.
no, it's she was sold like this, new.
Yeah.
Yes,
So this is the one you ride.
it's one of my bike.
One of.
Yes.
Which one's your favorite?
Oh, I don't know.
Ev-
with my wife, we have 40 bikes.
40 bikes.
40 bikes
Ah.
and about 30 two-stroke. I love two-stroke.
Yeah.
Since ever.
Ever. Yeah. Do you want the chainsaw? La. Yeah. Sometimes I'm in the forest.
Yeah.
In the mountains, and je suis pas sûr c'est
Ouais.
une.
Yes.
I never know if it's a logger
or,
or if it's a
bike.
250, if it's a two-stroke. Yeah.
Yes. Okay.
So also you like to go very fast also.
Oh,
Petit peu.
not so much because I lost my driving license.
Uh oh.
I have ever lost this
Yeah.
for 1 year.
And no, you don't want that anymore.
So when it's marked 20 kilometers on the road,
Yeah.
I try to stay at 20 kilometers, but it's difficult.
Especially on those.
Yes, especially when
Imagine if you have 1,000, you know. David,
Okay.
absolute legend.
Bye,
Merci
Pedro.
bien, mon ami.
have
Des
a-
bons
a
voyages
good travel.
et mécanique.
Yes.
And also,
Also now you know Wemoto France.
yeah, Wemoto friends. I just came in for some information,
Yeah.
and we solved it. Amazing. Thanks, Wemoto here. The boss already went away, but thanks for the opportunity to get that beautiful rear tire on there. Appreciate it. David, come
Okay.
travail. Au
Bye,
revoir.
Pedro.
Ciao.
Ciao.
This is the good stuff, man. Here we go again. Thanks, Wemoto friends. You walk in for some info, and you walk out with new rubber and a swanky clutch lever. I'm stoked. Now I don't have to lift my foot anymore to gear down. I'm so used to 140, but 130 wide goes on the Transalp officially. And I'm looking at it, and it's like, it looks so skinny. But that's normally what goes on there. So I think off-road, I might slip away a little bit more. We'll see, curious to find out. How do you like that, Atlas? Here we go, Atlas. New shoes. Whoa, yeah, I do have a tipping point. You know, it's not as bad as I thought. I literally thought I couldn't even ride the bike anymore. As to say. I still have to get used with the clutch. It's not a lever, what is it? It's the clutch peg. Something like that. I miss hitting it, so I gotta learn how to ride again. Because it's further out. It's from an XR. That's at 400, 650. So that's cool. Stick right on there. Same spline. Sweet. Boot's still very hard though. It's still the biggest one getting used to. Very much lost the mobility of my feet. Not too happy about that really. Still giving it time to see how the leather and the whole system loosens up or not. This is a nice little valley here, eh? 700 meters. For some reason, it was reminiscent a bit to me of a part of Montenegro in the Balkans, which is a mountainous country. Ooh, it's chilly here. This is the kind of corner that stays frozen in the winter. Then bam! There goes your front wheel. So we're kind of we'll be transferring from one mountain range to another. Well, it's actually continuous, but it lowers, and then we'll be riding tomorrow a higher area. I forgot the name, what it is, that region. It's like having strobe lights in my face now. Boop, boop. Here we go. Still lifting my foot up to clutch. Yeah, all these changes, man. I actually, for real, no worries, I'll be fine, you know, I'll do my ride, but I'm not on it, you know. Stuff has been changing, boots on together. I can't ride the ride sometimes that I want. It's a little bit frustrating. It's normal. When I just got I feel the grip coming out of that. Sweet. Good shit. When I just finished Atlas, it felt completely different too. Like when I went off-road for the first time, and I was telling you guys too, you know, like, well, yeah, just taking it easy because it feels different. Like, same. But now we already had experience, you know. We have done some shit, right? I can't really grab that when I want to, but it'll sort itself out. I can't deny that. A little something nagging there. Anyway, we'll be fine. Got a nice environment. Again, dope ass people today. Jeez. Life is good. Yeah. This is gripping. This is like tick, 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 like a little centipede going through the corner, tick, 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 grabbing, gripping. It's so subtle, but I can so feel it. It's like the bike is actually getting pushed forward, but it always is, Pedro. Oh, it's different. This is really, I can almost feel the rubber bending, pushing the bike forward. That fresh rubber, multiple spots, not big blocks, not that stupid hard edge that I don't like, that I now know for eternity. Never want that again on a tire like this, if I can help it. I'm not on top anymore. Yeah, I'm in it, and from there I'm getting pushed forward. Really cool. But seriously, earlier when I was thinking about that battle axe, that Bridgestone we took off today, we didn't even we got out of Iberia, but they already needed changing. We didn't even get out of Iberia from mid-eastern Portugal. What are we talking about? 2,000 kilometers tops? That's the most wear I've ever had on a tire. But one thing is true, it's some of the most aggressive riding that I've done, absolutely. Weight, it's the usual weight that I got on there. Every tire that I've had on there has suffered from that. So maybe too much tire pressure that I talked about before. Towards the end it starts wearing slower because it begins to grab a wider section of rubber. I have a higher chance of tipping over than losing traction. Oh, sweet. Oh, that's actually nice. I'm very happy with that, actually. Wow. Like I always get used to when something gets warm, but this is just... That is brilliant. What is this, a Maxxis? Something like that. Peoples. I'm like already sad for a future where I have to take this tire off. I'm just sitting down and like leaning into the corner. Whoop, sweet, thank you very much. Oh, it's nice when you have that trust. Also, you saw that suspension, got more travel now. That's nice too. Beauty, we got that too. I think I don't even have to look at the road anymore, just let the tire lead the way. You see my reaction And compared to my reaction at first with the battle axe, although that was a real trial what I did to that tire, and it was good on the track, grassy, going up and down, very trustworthy. And then some other stuff it really wasn't. I'm just sitting down, you know. That's trust. Once you feel it, once you feel that, you know it, and you know it's good. I'm literally getting pushed. I don't have to do anything. But still, I can't properly tell you the name of this thing. Perrito! The fuck's that? Is that all around your collar, bro? Huh? Do you have an owner? What it? Hey, buddy. Just look like a bloody bum. Hey. You have an owner, right? That's why you have this thing around your neck. Hey. Hey. What's up, buddy? Hey. You have a cowbell? Watch out for the exhaust. What the hell? Bonjour.
Bonjour.
Me has sorprendu. Per les tracking et tout, entonces...
Merci.
Non, je veux rien, il est un bon ami. C'est pour casser comme a hunting dog. Yeah. Figured with all that tech on him that it could be a stray, but... Au revoir. Ciao, buddy. I didn't do anything. Bonjour. Well, while we were standing still, almost had a new pal on our travels. This is a Maxxis. Good shit. Whoa. Also, a very nice stint here. This I like. Whoa. That not so much. If I want it, I wouldn't even have to look at the road before turning into a corner. Like, what's there on the ground? Doesn't matter. I'll just plow through it. This is good, man. Nice section, this. Oh, yeah. What a positively great find. Like your most unresearched tire, right? How much time do we sometimes spend like informing about it, going back and forth, you know, finding some experiences? And I just chucked this one on there. I don't think I've ever heard of it. What? Pardon? Oui, je viens. Yeah, I was like, yeah, I don't want to cross over the middle right now. Probably could have done it. No problem. Yeah, the time we spend on researching. Hey, you just chuck one on there. Great people in the process. That is a massive W in my book today. Maybe it's for the better right now that I don't know how to ride anymore, because we would be plowing with this thing, man. You know, we had good days with the battle axe, no doubt, but the new girl in town, ooh, me gusta. Have I said that already? Seriously, I don't think I'm ever going to stand up again on a motorcycle. Just forever comfy. down. What a life. You see that? You see that? You see that? I gotta stand up now. Hello there. There. You're lucky I'm not a New Zealander. Going down the mountain in the evening for a place to stay. This is interesting. It's like a dirty tarmac road, and Netherlands is the equivalent of a bicycle path. It's like a tarmac version of a trail. I'm not complaining. Made it down here to Le Vigan. Big fat cat over there. Down the mountain. Still in the mountains. For the night. Bonsoir. Ah, vous êtes le patron? Ah oui. Wrapping Atlas for a night on the street. Taking everything off. Bonsoir. Ouais. C'est une amie pour Atlas. You have a friend for the night.
Mais ici, no problème.
Non, j'imagine. La signora, la madame me dit, ah, le patron t'aime cette chose, mais
problème,
ici c'est très tranquille, non?
Your bedroom
It's right there.
is
Uh-huh.
the windows are sur la moto.
Well, Atlas is pretty hooked up now. We got our new best friend here. So join me for some more mountains as we get closer to the French Alps. See you in the next one. Ciao.